Welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a post using Classic Editor. You will first need to install a plugin called Classic Editor. In your admin menu, click Plugins, then Add New. Now, this is the Classic Editor. If you don't see it here, you can search. Now install it. Then activate. You can click here to go to the settings. Or here. These two options are the settings for the Classic Editor. Choose the default editor for all users. Allow users to switch editors. If no, for yes. If you set no, they will have to use any editor you set here. Or if you allow them to switch editors, they can choose whichever they want. Save changes. Then go to Post, Add New. As you can see, you have different interface. You can add your post title here. And write your text. To align your post, click here to align center, to align to the right, to align center back. To change it from paragraph to a heading, click here. You now have it as a heading. To change to italic and bold. This here to add categories. And here to add tags. This is where to set a feature image, and this is where to switch to block editor. This is where to publish. I prefer using block editor because I have an option to use Classic Editor inside the block editor. Let us say that. As you can see, so block editor actually have built-in Classic Editor. If you click this, you see it is using its built-in Classic Editor. You can use it to add media, whether image, text. To use Classic Editor inside Block Editor, click Add Block and click Formatting and click Classic. So it's going to add it for you. So you can write all your posts, design it with your Classic Editor and post. So you don't have to install any plugin. You can actually use Block Editor built-in Classic Editor to do that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.